As you know, TikTok has banned in India, but you don't need to worry. I will show you how you can enjoy all your favorite content on TikTok using Urban VPN. You have to simply follow these steps to get started. The first step is to download Urban VPN from your App Store. It is available for both iOS and Android devices and it is free to use. Once downloaded, open the app and follow the simple step process. You just have to need a grant permission for the app to work properly. Now, it's a time to select a location. Since we want the access of TikTok, then choose a server location outside of India. This will give access of TikTok as if you were browsing from that country. After selecting your desired location, simply tap on the connect button. And here, it will establish a secure connection and you will be ready to go. Now open TikTok on your device and you should be able to browse and use the app just like you normally do. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tricks.